Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best terry cloth is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable fabrics you can bring into your home, known for its unique looped pile construction that makes it incredibly absorbent and soft to the touch, making it a go-to material for everything from cozy bath towels and plush robes to durable cleaning rags and even stylish loungewear, offering a unique blend of practicality and luxurious comfort that elevates everyday routines and adds a touch of spa-like indulgence to your life. Number 5. Amazon Basics Cotton Washcloths, 24-pack white. Experience the ultimate comfort with our new washcloths. They are incredibly soft, making them perfect for your face, yet strong enough for everyday cleaning tasks. Designed for durability, these washcloths feature reinforced edges to prevent unraveling. You can trust them to hold up wash after wash. Keeping them clean is a breeze. Simply toss them in the washing machine and dryer for easy maintenance. Each washcloth measures 12 by 12 inches, providing ample coverage. This convenient pack comes with 24 white washcloths, ensuring you always have one on hand. From gentle facial cleansing to tackling household chores, these versatile cloths are a must-have. Their absorbency and strength make them suitable for a variety of uses around your home. What we like? These are incredibly versatile, perfect for both gentle facial cleansing and tackling tougher household messes. They are machine washable and dryer safe, with reinforced edges to prevent unraveling. If you're looking for a reliable all-rounder for everyday cleaning and personal care, these are a great choice. What people say. The terry cloth is very absorbent and dries quickly, making it ideal for bath towels and beach towels. The plush texture of the terry cloth is soft against the skin and provides a luxurious feel. The durable construction of the terry cloth ensures it holds up well to frequent washing and use. Number 4. Oeleky 8-pack cotton dishcloths. Introducing our new dishcloths, crafted from 100% pure cotton. They offer superior absorption for all your kitchen cleaning needs. Designed to be neither too thick nor too light, these kitchen towels dry quickly. They are perfect for both household and commercial use. Maintaining these cloths is simple. They are machine washable, just use cold water on a gentle cycle and tumble dry low. The unique weave design enhances their absorbency, allowing them to hold more water. This makes cleaning more efficient. This value pack includes 8 dish rags in 4 assorted colors. They are a practical and thoughtful gift for any home. Built for longevity, these dishcloths are ideal for various settings including hotels, bars, homes, and offices. Enjoy their reliable performance. What we like? These dishcloths are made from 100% cotton, offering excellent absorbency and a quick dry feature. They come in a value pack of 8 with multiple colors, making them ideal for kitchen use. If you need effective and colorful dish rags for your daily kitchen chores, this pack is a fantastic option. What people say. The terry cloth is highly absorbent, making it perfect for drying. This terry cloth is durable and holds up well after multiple washes. The soft texture of the terry cloth is comfortable against the skin. Number 3. Simpli-Magic 79171 Terry Towel Cleaning Cloths. Discover the Simpli-Magic 79171 Terry Towel Cleaning Cloths. This pack of 50 white, standard-sized towels is perfect for a variety of uses. Crafted from 100% looped terry cotton, these towels offer exceptional strength and softness. They are designed for high absorbency and quick drying. With 50 towels in each pack, they are an ideal solution for commercial businesses, restaurants, hotels, offices, and even home use. These towels are engineered to be gentle enough for facial use, yet strong enough for all your general household cleaning tasks. Maintaining these towels is simple. They are machine washable and can be tumble dried on low heat for convenience. Measuring 12 by 12 inches, their universal fit makes them suitable for a wide range of applications, ensuring you always have the right tool. What we like? This bulk pack of 50 loop terry cotton towels is ideal for commercial businesses and general cleaning. They are soft enough for facial use yet strong for household cleaning. If you need a large quantity of durable and absorbent towels for professional or frequent use, this pack offers great value. What people say. Terry cloth is a highly absorbent material, making it ideal for towels and bathrobes. The looped pile construction of terry cloth allows for excellent moisture-wicking properties. Terry cloth is known for its softness and comfort against the skin. Number 2. Simpli-Magic Cotton Terry Towels, 55 pack. Discover the new upgraded terry rags from Simpli-Magic. Made from 100% loop terry cotton, they offer superior strength and absorbency. Experience the upgraded soft hand feel after the first wash. They are engineered to be soft enough for facial use, yet strong for all your cleaning needs. These towels are an ideal solution for a wide range of uses, including restaurants, hotels, bars, homes, offices, and commercial cleaning. Crafted for durability, they are machine washable and tumble dry on low. Enjoy their high absorbency and fast drying properties. Get commercial grade quality with this 55 pack of white cotton terry towels. Each towel measures 17x14 for your convenience. What we like. These commercial grade cotton terry towels are an upgraded version, offering an even softer feel after washing. They are highly absorbent and fast drying, suitable for a wide range of uses from facial care to janitorial tasks. If you prioritize a premium soft touch combined with professional grade performance, these towels are an excellent selection. What people say. The terry cloth is very absorbent and dries quickly. The terry cloth is soft and comfortable against the skin. The terry cloth is durable and holds up well after multiple washes. Number 1. Avalon Towels Bar Towels, pack of 60. Get great value with this economical pack of 60 bar towels. They are perfectly sized at 14 by 17 inches and designed to meet all your home and business cleaning needs. These terry towels are your ideal cleaning companion for wet messes. Made from 100% cotton, they are highly absorbent and dry quickly, ensuring a spotless, streak-free finish every time. Built to last, these cleaning rags feature high-quality stitching and reinforced edges. They can handle tough cleaning tasks without unraveling or tearing, and are lightweight for repeated use. Enjoy a gentle yet effective clean with these soft, smooth rags. Their non-abrasive texture ensures you can clean delicate surfaces like tables, dishes, and decorative items without worrying about scratches. These multipurpose bar towels are perfect for tackling everything from dust and dirt to grease. You can confidently use them on various items, including delicate decorative pieces, without any risk of damage. What we like. With a pack of 60, these bar towels are highly absorbent and fast drying, perfect for tackling wet messes without leaving streaks. Their smooth, non-abrasive texture ensures they won't scratch delicate surfaces. If you need a large supply of versatile, gentle yet effective cleaning cloths for both home and business, these are an ideal choice. What people say. Terry cloth is a soft, absorbent fabric made of cotton, wool, or linen. It is characterized by its loops, which are created by weaving extra threads into the base fabric. These loops increase the surface area of the fabric, making it more absorbent and soft. Terry cloth is often used for towels, bathrobes, and other items that require absorbency and softness. It is also used for baby clothes, blankets, and other items that come into contact with sensitive skin. Terry cloth is a durable fabric that can withstand frequent washing and drying. It is also resistant to shrinking and fading, making it a good choice for items that are used frequently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.